Hi guys, let's see how to fix the issue of Bluetooth audio delay in headphones or any other device. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to just search mmsys.cpl. Okay, just search it and click on the search result. Now from the list of playback devices, select your headphone, double click on your headphone. Okay, and if you see any enhancements tab, just disable all enhancements and click on apply. So the headphone can be found in the recording section also. Double click on that, and if you find the enhancements tab like that, just select disable all enhancements and click on apply, and then see if it works or not. If this does not work, then what you have to do, you have to just right click on start button and click on settings, click on system from left and sound from right, and now scroll down and find input, and here your headphone, if it is listed, just select that. Okay, if your headset is listed, just select it and then try again and see if it works or not. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.